The battery must be charged if it is empty. Dry the unit and pull out the battery. Place it in the charging station and charge it completely. Then reinsert the battery. The unit filters should be cleaned from time to time. Unscrew the filter from the bottom left side. Then unscrew the top of the filter and take it apart. Clean the individual filters under running water. Put it back together and screw it back into the unit. Another filter can be found in the water connection of the thermostat unit. This one can also be easily removed and cleaned under cold water. Finally, twist the soap cartridge out. Then release the filter in the soap inlet with the lever and pull it out. Take the filter apart, clean it with a toothbrush and reinsert it. Then twist the soap back into place. And that's it.